Does Vizio TV have web browser? Many smart TV users expect a built-in web browser for browsing the internet directly on their TV. However, Vizio Smart TVs operate differently from some other smart TV brands, which affects their web browsing capabilities. 1. Vizio TVs do not have a built-in web browser. Vizio Smart TVs do not come with a native web browser. The SmartCast platform focuses on streaming apps and casting features rather than direct web browsing. Unlike Android TV or Samsung Smart TVs, Vizio does not offer an official browser in its App Store. 2. Using screen mirroring to browse the web. Since Vizio TVs lack a built-in browser, users can mirror their phone, tablet, or laptop screen to display a web browser on the TV using Chromecast for Android and Windows. Open a web browser on your device, tap the cast icon, and select your Vizio TV. AirPlay for iPhone and Mac. Open Safari, tap the AirPlay icon, and choose your Vizio TV. 3. Connecting external devices for web browsing. For a full web browsing experience, users can connect external devices with a built-in browser, such as Amazon Fire Stick, Silk Browser, Roku, web browsers available, Chromecast with Google TV, Chrome Browser, Apple TV, Safari via AirPlay. Another alternative is to connect a laptop via HDMI and use the browser on the TV screen. 4. Accessing web content through apps. Although there is no web browser, Vizio SmartCast includes many apps that provide web-based content, such as YouTube, news channels, and social media apps. These allow users to access some online content without needing a browser. 5th, troubleshooting browser alternatives. If screen mirroring or an external device is not working, check that both the TV and the device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both devices and update the TV software if needed. For the most reliable browsing experience, an HDMI-connected laptop is the best option. Vizio Smart TVs do not have a built-in web browser, but users can access the internet by mirroring their screen, using an external streaming device, or connecting a laptop via HDMI.